Hey guys, here we are reviewing the Dell XPS 15z laptop, which is the slimmest 15 inches notebook in the world as of now. This is a beautiful case in which the laptop has arrived. As you can see, it is almost like a jewelry box. And now let's open the case. And here we have the laptop, which looks almost similar to the Apple MacBook Pro. When we open the laptop box, we get a few items within it, like the CD and the power adapter and other accessories. Let's put this aside and let's discuss about the laptop. Now, talking about this laptop, this seems to be the world's slimmest laptop, but it doesn't really look slim when you compare this with the Apple MacBook Air. But again, yes, it is slim when you talk about the top's LED, that's the LCD part, display part. On the left, you have HDMI port, a few USB ports, as you can see here, and the battery indicator, which displays how much battery you have left on your laptop. As of now, you can see it's fully charged. On the back, there is a telephone internet connection port, a beautiful design, which probably should be the air output point, and this is the input for the power adapter, the mic and headphone slots, the CD DVD writer slot. Now on the top we have a separate casing, which is again of aluminum probably, and also has lights within it. So when we boot up the laptop, you would find some lights coming up on the same. Now let's open this, and as you can see, it's quite slim when you talk about this part, the top part. And when you discuss about the bottom part, as you can see here, there is a beautiful keyboard with speakers on both the sides, and here's a touchpad, and there's a lot of space wherein you can place your hands and do your typing stuff. Apart from that, I do miss the numerical keypad, which generally comes up on the right side when you which I already have on my HP TV7 netbook, laptop, sorry. But again, we need to get adapter to this one. Let's boot up. We have already started this laptop, so we won't have to go through the setup options. And this laptop comes with face recognition software pre-installed by Dell, which is powered by Creative. So it's recognizing the face, as you can see here, and as expected, it's not able to actually recognize the face, which is it's asking us to input the password. Let's wait and watch. Let's try to again hope that it would recognize the face again. This time it shows that it's still learning. Probably let me remove my specs and then give a try. No, it's not exactly working as expected, so let's here we are onto the home page, desktop of the Dell XPS 15z, and as you can see, there are numerous widgets on the home desktop. which would directly connect you to different applications like the app, music, videos, and different options. Apart from that, you can also scroll and add more apps here. So this is quite interesting. Next, let's check out the configuration of this laptop, which has 4 GB RAM, and let me just give you a better demo. So this is having a 4 GB RAM, a 64-bit operating system, and the Windows Experience Index shows gives a rating of 5.7, which is pretty good. Let me go through a test again. So as of now, out of the scale of 1 to 7.9, this gives a rating of 5.7, and that's because of the graphics issue. So probably with by disabling the Windows Aero, we could get better performance. Apart from that, this laptop comes with a 2.4 GHz Intel Core i5 2430M, that's a second generation processors, and you can, as you can see, it comes pre-installed with the Windows Home 7 Service Pack 1 Premium. So that's pretty much about the hardware. Now let's check out few of the features which come pre-installed on this laptop. Like, as you can see, in this case we have got a list of applications, widgets on the desktop. We can directly add our website shortcuts onto the home screen, or probably you can visit actually access the videos which are installed on your transfer to your laptop. Let me just play the same, and it is powered with video stage. Let's play from beginning. So these are few of the apps which come pre-installed, and as you can see the shortcuts on the desktop, these are different softwares which I have installed after starting the laptop. And apart from that, you don't get the MS Office suite in this, which I have again installed through office.microsoft.com. And as you can see, we get a Dell webcam, start the same and check out. So here is the webcam, which comes with a bunch of scene modes here, which you can directly implement and check the same, as you can see here. So I'm almost behind the bars. This is the kind of night modes. So overall, these are all funny different video effects available to you. Apart from that, you can also go through different avatars, like this is me, which is speaking as a kitten, or probably I could talk as a baby. As you can see, it's recognizing my face gestures and the way I'm moving my lips, and it's making those changes display on the screen. So these are different avatars. So that's the webcam which comes pre-installed. So overall, we are experiencing a very good processing on this laptop, because as you can see, when we run multiple applications, they still run perfectly. So there's no hanging or as such, which means that the processor is perfect, and we can just run multiple number of applications at the same time. As you can see, I'm going to run a few applications at the same time. still the so as you can see, we have opened a good number of apps here, different softwares running in the background. And let's now check out the task manager and see how the laptop is responding. So all of these seem to be running, none of them have got struck as of now, and as expected Firefox is taking the maximum amount of memory. While when you talk about the performance, even though these many number of applications are running, the performance is pretty good. As you can see, it's around 4 to 5% of the CPU is being used, and approximately around 90% of the CPU is unused. So that's pretty much high. So overall, we are quite impressed with this laptop, and this specific model, which comes with the 4 GB RAM, comes with a 8-cell battery, which offers you around 8 hours of backup, and this specific model costs you around 60,000 rupees. Sorry, in fact 70,000 rupees, and after a corporate discount, in our case we got it at around 65,000 rupees, because we bought a good number of laptops at the same time. That's in terms of quantity discount. So overall, it's a pretty good laptop. If you are planning to go for Dell 15 or 15z, if you're looking for a comparison, then this video can help you out, because as you can see, this is a quite slim laptop and also has a very less weight when compared to the Dell 15 normal Dell 15 laptop. And here we have the Dell 11 inches laptop next, which we are going to keep it on top of this one, so you can see the size difference. So it is actually around 4 inches bigger, and this one has a very fat, or you can say thick in size. So comparatively, the Dell 15z is a very good purchase if you are planning to go for one. Thanks for watching.